Hi, it's Miss Casillas. We are here today to work on our vowel team AY. So our goal is going to be to practice reading words with vowel teams and notice the vowel sounds. Sometimes when I see a word with an AY in the middle, I'm not sure how to read it. The AY is called a vowel team because when A and Y are next to each other in a word, they're working together to make one sound. They are a team. Sometimes we say when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So when the A and the Y go walking, the A is going to make the sound. So the sound for AY is going to be A, the long A sound. Let's try reading the next words on the list as long vowels since we know they have vowel teams. This is the word gray. What does the vowel team usually do to this word? That's right, the vowel team AY says the A sound, the long A sound. The A and Y worked together as a team. The A does the talking and the Y does the walking. We do not hear the Y sound. We just hear the A. If I have this word, I read the word nay. Instead of the short vowel sound A, the AY makes the long vowel sound A because they're working together as a team. Get ready to read this list of words with me. Ready? Begin. Pay, spay, and slay. What vowel team do you see in these words? Good. These words all have an AY vowel team. The AY makes the A sound. This is a list of words for you to read. You will read the word and then I will repeat the word after you so you can check your work. Go ahead and read the first word. That's the word gray. Continue reading all of the words. Nay. Pay, spay, slay, flay, fray, tray, stay, say, and K. Did you notice how all of the words had the A sound? AY says A. Now we're going to read these 5 sentences and we're going to look for the AY vowel teams. So go ahead and get ready to read with me. We're going to start with number 1. Ready? Begin. May I spray the hay on Friday? Number 2. Did he pay for the holiday? 3. In May, he will lay the tray. 4. On Tuesday, he will stay to pray. 5. I will play with the clay on Monday. What AY words did you find in these sentences? In number 1, I found the word may. AY says A. I also found the word spray. Again, the AY says A. A, spray. You can write down the AY words that you found and read them to someone. Then you're going to complete your seesaw activity. Very nice work today.